Welcome friends to my YouTube channel. This channel is about Vedic astrology. On this channel you will find videos with which you can easily learn the basics of Vedic astrology. And also there will be a lot of advanced techniques we would be discussing about. But in this video I would be telling you about the basics of Vedic astrology. Now this is a complete crash course in basics of Vedic astrology which we are discussing right now. So in this video I would be telling you about types of charts, the circular chart, the North Indian chart and the South Indian chart. The second thing we will discuss is anti-clockwise house system. The third thing, why the North Indian chart style is easy in Vedic astrology. And then at last, we would be discussing the classifications of houses in a horoscope. So let's begin to it. I'm sure you are aware with this style of chart. It is a Western chart, a Western circular chart. Sometimes instead of these numbers, there are symbols of the zodiac signs placed here, along with the symbols of the planets, as you are aware of it. The second kind of chart is this. Now this is a diamond style North Indian chart. As you can see, this is the first house in the chart. These are diamond shaped houses and there are a lot of advantages when it comes to analyzing a horoscope with this style of chart. Now there is another style of chart that I'll tell you about is this. These boxes on the outer side of this thing, these are the houses. Well, there are 12 houses in this chart as well. This is the South Indian style of chart. But the best way to analyze a horoscope in Vedic system is always and always this diamond style chart. Because when we correlate a lot of planets with each other, it is very easy in this chart, this style of chart, it is very easy to understand what is really happening. So this style of chart, it is always an anti-clockwise system. This will always be the first house, which is called ascendant. This will always remain fixed. Only your zodiac signs will move around in these houses. But these significations and characteristics of these houses will be fixed. Houses are always fixed, but zodiac signs and planets move in the horoscope. So this is the first house, ascendant. This is the second house. This is the third house. This is the fourth house. This is the fifth, and so on. So these houses are always fixed, as you can see. So this is an anti-clockwise system of a horoscope, as you can see. This is the first house, this is the second house, then it comes to third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th consecutively. So this is an anti-clockwise system of houses. The houses will always remain fixed. I'm saying it again, but the signs, the zodiacs, your planets, they will change. This will be your ascendant. It is always and always fixed. So what we would be discussing further in the videos is we will place numbers like this instead of the Roman letters in the previous slide. We will always refer to numbers, numericals in the houses. Now this will be always your first house. If you see a horoscope, it starts from here. It will not start from here, here. It will always and always start from here. This is the first house, this is the second house, this is the third house. Each houses will have their own specific significations, which we will discuss in another video. Okay, now coming down to the classification of houses. Right. See, this is always and always your ascendant. This is the first house of the horoscope. Every horoscope, this is the first house, and this is where we start looking the horoscope from. Now there is a category of houses. As you can see, the first house, the fifth house, the ninth house. These are called trines, almost in a shape of triangle. These are called trines. These houses are always and always good. They always give good results. They will always give you good results no matter what. Now another category of houses, this one. Now as you can see, it was highlighted in the trine slide, this one, and it is also highlighted in this slide. So your first house is the most important house, as it is from where the horoscope starts. This is the native himself. So this is also a trine, and these houses are called quadrants, almost in a shape of a square. The first house, the fourth house, the seventh house, the 10th house, these houses are quadrants. Now these houses are also good houses, but depending on what kind of planets are involved, sometimes their role shifts a little bit. These are good houses, not bad houses. These are definitely good houses, but not as trines like the fifth, the ninth. They are the fifth and the ninth, it is always good. But these houses are also considered as good. Now another category of the houses is, yes, the third house, the sixth house, the 10th house, the 11th house. These houses are always giving you growth. These are the houses of growth. All the growth in life, the progress in life. This comes from the third house, the sixth house, the 10th house and the 11th house. In Vedic astrology, we call these houses Upchaya. Upchaya houses, the houses of growth. Now another category of houses is the 6th house, the 8th house and the 12th house. These houses are evil houses. They always give you bad results. Mostly, all the time, they give you bad results. The 6th house, the 8th house and the 12th house. Now the last category of the house that I would be telling you about is, yes, this. These two houses highlighted in the red color, the 2nd house and the 7th house. These houses are deadly houses. Now whenever these houses are involved in analyzing a chart, whenever these houses are activated, basically they are bound to give some sort of deadly result. It could be physical, it could be emotional, it could be financial, it could be something or the other. But these houses are something which really needs a deeper consideration and analysis. A deeper analysis is required for these two houses. Now these two houses are the deadly houses. So friends, this would be all that we would be discussing in this video. This was the wave 1 of basics in crash course of Vedic astrology. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. The link is provided below in the section, and you can also leave your comments for this and keep yourself posted for further videos to learn basics of Vedic astrology.